What's good, YouTube? Back with another video today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something I got in the mail on Friday. So it's been almost a week since I got this. If you clicked on the thumbnail or if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what it is. So it's just a matter of finding out what color I got. So let's just get straight to the video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, everybody? So as you can see here, we have the original TOMB45 Powermat that was originally released. I don't remember the exact date, but this was sometime last year. Great tool, great product to have. Wirelessly charge your clippers. You can order the adapters for the clippers. It also has an area for the Beam Team XL, which I do have at home. I have to bring that in. But we are getting rid of this today, and we will be unboxing the package I have, and that's gonna be the new mat that will replace this. So we'll get straight to the box. But first, let me remove all this stuff, and then we'll get the box laid down. So, got everything removed. And here is the new Powermat that we will be replacing the original Powermat with. And it's just a matter of finding out what color we got. I've seen Chris Bossio, Tomb Doc, everybody on the Tomb squad was posting the new colorways that they have for the new Powermats. So had to hop on it, had to get me one. I really like the colors they came out with. They came out with a lime green color. They also came out with orange, a murdered out black color, and a red color. So shout out to TOMB45. I ordered this on a Monday. It was here by Friday. So that's just a great shipping on their part. But here is the mat, and also came with some stickers, which I've been wanting. So glad I got some of those. All right, moment of truth. Let y'all in and let you see what Powermat I got. Here we go. Drum roll. Let's see which one it is. And there we have it, y'all. I had to get the red. It goes with the toolboxes we got. I'm just a big fan of red, more so than any other colors they had. I do like the lime green, but this is what we have. So you have the Powermat charging cord, of course, to make sure that we have that charged. So we'll go ahead and pull this mat out. Man, that is nice. So there is our super red Powermat we got here. And this is just showing you instructions on how to use the Powermat. You can have multiple adapters, expansion packs that interlay inside here, but it does come with 2 charging pads, which is the Beam Team XL area, also charges a phone. And then also we have the area for the clipper. So on this one, it already has the bumper already installed. So that way when you put your clipper down, you're not having to find out where the best spot is to charge it. So because it's already here, you just gotta lay the clipper down and then it'll charge without having to try to find where it's at. So that's a plus with that. And I just overall just like the colorway. It's nice and simple, nice and red, sturdy. I can't complain when it comes to TOMB45 products. They always outdo themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this replaced with the other one. We'll swap it out, put all the stuff back on it, and I'll get back to y'all. So as you can see, got everything swapped out. Got my magic clips with the TOMB45 battery upgrade. Got the adapter attached to it. I need to get the expansion pack and the senior adapter. They also have a slimline adapter as well, but just the basic mat here. This one is charging the clipper, as well as this right here is going to charge the Beam Team XL. Got the Shoutout hair color card, TOMB45 razor, of course. So got our setup all squared away and ready to start the day tomorrow. But just thought I'd include everybody in the unboxing and just swapping out the Powermats, and got a surprise. So the surprise that I have is at 2,000 subscribers, which is a bit away. We are at 1270 almost right now. So 2,000 is like 750 subscribers away still, but I feel like we're gonna get there really quick. So at 2K, a lucky winner will get the Powermat that I replaced. So you'll get the OG black Powermat. There's nothing wrong with it, completely functional. I've been using it for, I wanna say like half a year now, maybe 8 months, 9 months, but no more than that. So it's been in the shop. I take care of everything that I have. So I'll be able to give back. That's something I love to do, is just to try to bless people. And so good luck to whoever sticks around to 2K, and you can get a hold of this right here and win that bad boy. So that's the surprise. I'll be giving away the Powermat at 2K. So just gonna keep pushing, keep grinding, keep putting out content for y'all. So just stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button if you like the color I picked. And if you don't like the color I picked, let me know down in the comments what color you would have picked. But I appreciate you for clicking on this video, tuning in, locking in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button. So all you gotta do is just click right there. Also, if you want your own Powermat, go to TOMB45. They did like a limited release at the beginning, but I think they still have some on their website. If not, there's a lot of different vendors and a lot of barber supplies that you can go through to get one. I'm not sure about the colored mats, but I'm pretty sure you can go find the OG mats on different barber sites, barber supply sites. But TOMB45 always has great products, so whatever you get, whatever you choose, I guarantee that you will be satisfied. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.
We'll be right back.